The Metaverse revolution is here and the virtual gold rush has begun. The new digital frontier is attracting a lot of attention, from large tech names to everyday users who want to be the first to take advantage of the Metaverse and its endless possibilities. Fashion was one of the early applications of the Metaverse. Virtual clothing is already being tested by high-profile design brands like Louis Vuitton and Gucci in the shapes of NFT collections. Gaming has become another lucrative route for brand collaborations, with efforts like Burberry x Blanco's Block Party and Valentino x Animal Crossing. In the Metaverse, however, almost anyone can start a digital clothing company and make money. If you're not even a fashion designer, you might enjoy creating unique designs for your avatar, assisting your friends with theirs, or anything in between. Luxury brand executives are paying attention to the trend and acting rapidly to seize the potential to offer virtual representations of their products to customers in the Metaverse. Avatars are everything in the new frontier of Metaverse, a persistent, shared, virtual environment that users can access through various devices and platforms. As a result, some users will be willing to spend a lot of money to outfit their avatar with high-end items. How it works. Most virtual luxury products are sold in limited quantities, and purchasers receive an NFT, non-fungible token, as proof of ownership. Users will be able to transport apparel, accessories, and home decor from one platform to another in the Metaverse. Virtual Products, according to Goncalo Cruz, is a technology company that enables traditional firms to design and sell 3D renderings of things like clothing, which can alleviate the problem of oversupply for luxury brands. There are no raw materials used in the production of luxury items, and the labor is minimal. That means that practically all of the earnings come from selling virtual garments and accessories. Designers have also had a lot of creative freedom when it comes to designing virtual items because of the constraints imposed by market realities don't apply. Most luxury brands have decades of archival designs that can be converted into virtual assets, generating fresh revenue with little cost. When a virtual item changes hands, many smart certificates, or NFTs, incorporate royalty fees or revenue sharing on future transactions. This means that the original creator will continue to make money and that there will always be fewer issues with knockoffs. Nike has stepped into the Metaverse for the first time this week. The Oregon-based firm filed numerous additional trademarks indicating its intention to create and sell virtual Nike brand sneakers and apparel. With more companies trying to enter the virtual world, projects like MetaHero are gaining traction as their technology scans items or people and then renders a 3D virtual representation. We believe with such technology, a 3D version of ourselves will be available in the Metaverse. This type of scanning system leads us to believe that we will be able to shop for clothing in the Metaverse. This might also mean that our own Metaverse self will be able to try on different outfits just like you do today, but without having to leave your couch. Although all of this appears far-fetched, it is predicted that we will all be participating in the Metaverse in 10 years.